So the SAT is fast approaching and you want to know some of the quick tricks you can do to get problems right faster because time is everything on the SAT, right? And here are three tricks that I know that, in my opinion, are some of the best tricks to know on the SAT because one, they appear a lot, especially the first two I'm going to share with you. And secondly, because they make problems so much faster and so much easier. So let's get right into it. So you see these problems all the time where you're given two linear equations and you're supposed to find the solutions x and y to both equations. And the trick with this, a lot of people should know, and if you don't know, here it is basically you want to try to eliminate one of the variables by either adding or subtracting the two equations. And sometimes you may have to multiply one equation to get the coefficients matching. So let's look at this problem right now that, it's right here, right there, right? So you see, I'm trying to eliminate the y so I can solve for x. And let's get x first. So multiply the top equation by 2 and then add the two equations together. So now the two y's cancel out, right? Because positive and negative. And we're left with 5x equals 10. So what is x equal to? And if you look at the answer choices, you can eliminate every single answer choice beside one of them. So because only one of them has x equals 2, so that's your answer. So that's how quickly you can make these problems if you just learn this trick. The main factoring forms you have to know is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. And the reason you want to know this is because there's at least two problems, at least two problems on every single SAT that I've seen, give or take a couple, that have a problem that is of this caliber, that somehow uses the a squared minus b squared form in some type of way. And let's look at this problem right here. So you see 4x squared minus 9, and this is a classic a squared minus b squared problem, right? It wants you to match the form of the polynomial in the factored form, and the only way you can do that is if you can recognize the a squared minus b squared pattern that's in 4x squared minus 9. So in this case, 4x squared minus 9 can be simplified to 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. So in this case, what would p equal? 2, right? Because 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, px minus t, px plus t. So p is equal to 2. And if you learn the trick that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b, you can do any type of these problems really quickly, really fast. So this third trick, it doesn't appear a lot on the SAT, but every now and then this problem that's of this sort does appear. So this trick right here will make a 1 to 2 minute problem with 5 seconds. Like, I can assure you that. So if you see this problem right here, right, you have 2m squared, this whole polynomial basically. And what you could do is divide by 2 and simplify the equation. But honestly, with this trick, you don't have to do that. So the trick is to find the sum of solutions, all you do is negative b over a. That's it. So let's look at this problem. We have negative b over a. So in this case, b is negative 16, right? Because minus 16m. So negative b is 16. And a is 2. So what's 16 divided by 2? 8. There you go. That's the sum of your solutions. And that's the answer to that problem. That quick. So these are some of the 3 best tricks I know for the SAT. And of course, I have so many more tricks in my head. I share with my students in my tutoring program, as well as some other YouTube videos. So be sure to check those out and hit me up in the description below if you want any tutoring. And all in all, if you enjoy these tricks, if you know you're going to use these tricks on the SAT whenever you take it, please like the video, please comment, please share, please subscribe. I answer all comments. Like the video. Peace.